friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today's video is something different. Like I was really fascinated about that DIY scented candles, and I was like, I really want to make that, and I made it, and I've just shooted the video so you'll get how I made it. And yes, it's a really short and quick video. So but before that, do subscribe to my channel and hit like to this video if you like my video, and follow me on my social media so we can connect. Yes, so without wasting time, let's go into the video. Take a bowl, put water inside that, and put another bowl above that, and उसके अंदर candles रखो. So वो heat से वो candle melt होगा. That is, this is called double boiler method. Chocolates भी हम लोग ऐसे ही melt करते हैं, in case you don't know. So ये melt हो रहा है. Okay guys, so what I have done is that I have taken a normal candle which I have cutted with a knife, and just took that wick. This is called wick. जो धागा रहता है candle के अंदर, इसको wick बोलते हैं. Wick. I'll type it over here. And yes, so I have cutted that as well from the candle, and by double boiler method, that is, take a bowl, put water inside that, and put another bowl above that, and उसके अंदर candles रखो. So वो heat से वो candle melt होगा. That is, this is called double boiler method. Chocolates भी हम लोग ऐसे ही melt करते हैं, in case you don't know. So ये melt हो रहा है. And yes, I didn't had any color, so what I did is that I took a spare lipstick and just put that lipstick inside this candle. थोड़ा सा ही डालना, because lipstick में बहुत सारा colors रहता है, बहुत सारा, like there is a lot amount of color in that. So मैंने थोड़ा सा ही डाला और पूरा pink हो गया है. And now let's wait like वो पूरा melt हो. And yes, it is melted. So we'll just take this bowl and pour this in a container. I have this small candy का container. This is really small. But before that, इसके ऊपर हम लोग oil डालेंगे. That is essential oil which I had at my home. That was for diffuser जो मैंने इसमें डाल दिया. And now let's wait till it gets cool down. फटाफट cool हो जाता है ये, इसमें time नहीं लगता है. But for that wick मैंने toothpick लगाया है, and toothpick stable नहीं रह रहा है. But anyhow I managed कि वो center में रहे. And it's done. And let's wait till it gets cool down. And this is another candle, like not a candle, दिया जो मेरे पास था. मैंने दिवाली में लिया था like 2-3 years back, and वो अभी तक है. इसके अंदर already wax था जो ख़त्म हो चुका था, तो मैंने इसमें भी डाल दिया. And it's pretty well, like अच्छे से हो गया है. And now this is looking amazing, like looks stunning, and पूरा room smell, like it smells really amazing. It's really scented now, and I just love this. Okay guys, so do try and do let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to share pictures with me on Instagram. You can DM me anytime with pictures, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. And yes, that was all for today. Don't forget to hit like to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I upload my new videos every week, so you'll get something new to see. Bye bye, see you in next video.